Hey everyone, doing a little update. It's going to be a short video on this one, but on the gas tank, we're finally making some headway. Last couple of days, I've been cleaning it over and over and over and over, and I've been using this stuff right here, Simple Green, the purple heavy-duty stuff, Pro HD. And what I did was I went over to Walmart and I bought a scrub brush, and I put a rod. Actually drilled a hole in the scrub brush. I put the rod inside of it and taped it and zip tied it, make sure it wouldn't come off. And I used that on the inside of the tank, and I was able to, with my drill, and I was able to get inside and scrub the best of my ability. Of course, some people, they use chains or they use nuts or whatever. I used all of it, because I'm trying to get the tank as clean as possible, which it really did clean. So I'm going to show you right now what it looks like on the inside. And after I got done with that, I started using crud cutters, the must for rust. This stuff is amazing, but you can't leave it on too long. It does eat the metal, but this helped out a lot. But then today we got some of the best stuff in the business. This is what everybody uses. Hold on. There we go. The POR 15. We got the cleaner and degreaser, we got the metal prep, and the fuel tank sealer. So starting tonight, I'm gonna start the degreaser for industrial strength cleaner. Go ahead and get that started and get it cleaning. And then tomorrow afternoon, I'll start the metal prep. Then probably let a day for the tank to dry, and then the fuel tank sealer, and then after that, the other parts should come in. I've got a new gasket for the sending unit coming in, and I'll be posting a video here soon of me rebuilding my sending unit. And got to go get some new hoses and stuff like that, and fuel filter, and we'll be able to turn the car over with some nice fresh fuel. Right, so I just put in the cleaner degreaser. Now mind you, the last couple days I've been just washing this thing over and over and over again. You can see I spilt a little bit, and look at it. See if I can look down the side there. See if I can shift it a little bit. It is already, look at that. Oh my goodness. This stuff, I am so far super impressed with it. So I'm gonna leave this in here overnight, shake it around tomorrow a little bit, and then leave it for the rest of the day on the top, and see what happens. But so far, POR, you are amazing. So I hope everybody had an amazing weekend, and make sure to like, subscribe, and wait for my next video, guys. We are about to get moving.